Hello, let's make a little introductory here on how to install the CA amplifier, compact amplifier from Eclair, and combine this with the RDL headphone amplifiers and as well as an RDL FP-MX4 microphone mixer. So the purpose is to take the output of the RDL microphone mixer, take that output, send one of the outputs of the mixer to the amplifier so we can power the speaker, and take the other output of the mixer and send that to the RDL headphone amplifiers so that we can have listening stations. So what we will need is one 3-position 0.1 mil Phoenix connector, one 5-position 0.2 mil Phoenix connectors, as well as some 2-conductor shielded wires. So the first thing we do is we have to identify our pins. So when we look at this, we have 5 positions. So pin number 1 from this side is plus, the second pin is minus, the center pin is ground, then the fourth pin is minus, and the last pin is ground. Now if we look at these 3 together will give us a line level output, and these 3 together will give us a mic level output. We're going to use the line level to go to the headphone amp, and we're going to use the mic out to go to the CA40 amplifier from Eclair, and we're going to connect that into the mic in. Now on the mini Phoenix connector, we identify the pins as well. Here the pins, pin number 1 is ground, pin number 2 is minus, and pin number 3 is plus. So let's get started with our wires. The first step is we have to take off the rubber insulation on the outside. We need to cut off the nylon cord that's on the inside. We also need to take off the foil that we don't need. If you have plenty of time on the job site and you want to put some heat shrink, in order to make the whole installation cleaner, go right ahead. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to keep this very simple and make the connection for you as quickly as possible. So first step, let's get some more insulation out. We've made a little bit of a mess here because the wires are a little bit moving in there, so we're going to straighten it all out. So in this step here, we're going to make the connection to the Eclair amplifier. So we take our ground wire and we will put that into pin number 1 here and tighten the screw. We will take our black wire and go into the center pin, which is going to be our pin number 2 or our negative phase, right in there. And then we'll take our white one, which is going to go to pin number 3, which is going to be our positive phase. Now you can use whatever color you want as long as you stay consistent on what your positive phase is and your negative phase is. This way everything will be synchronized. Now we take the other end, which I had pre-cut and prepared in advance prior to this video. Let's take that, clean it up a little bit, and we're going to go into our mic in. So we're going to connect this to the Phoenix connector on the mic in side. So the white one is our plus phase, which is going to go to pin number 5 on this connector. The black one is our negative phase, is going to go on pin number 4, which there, I'm keeping this one open for now. And we'll take another piece of wire which I've already prepared in advance, and this is what we're going to send. It's going to be run inside the walls. It's going to go to our headphone amps, but for the purpose of this video I just got a short wire here. So this is going to go to our line level out, and we do the same thing here. We use our white one on our positive phase out. We use the black one on our negative phase out. And then we take our two grounds, and that's why I kept them a little bit out here together, just so I can twist them together for a little bit of neatness. And put that, and now as you can see I didn't trip the nylon properly, but for the purpose of this video we're just going to keep it as is and make this as quickly as possible. Trim a little bit off the tip here, put this into our center pin right there, and it's done. Now this connector will connect on the RDL mixer right in there, and our green end is going to come right here into our mic level input, and we have our adjustment here on the side. So this end will be the output of the mixer, this end is the input on the amplifier, and the other end goes to our headphone amps. And that's what the whole thing looks like. Very simple. The wiring diagram for this is on the information sheet of the RDL mixer, so all the information is there. And in terms of the information for the pins, if you need additional information, it's written right here on the amplifier. So very simple. I hope this video helps you. Thank you.